afternoon, guys, and what is going on? We're back here with another video. So today's video, I want to talk to you guys about, and this is for some of the people that have just bone stock Duramaxes. I've been getting some comments on, telling me, Eddie, how big can I go with pretty much on a bone stock Duramax? Because there are some people that don't want to lift their trucks. They just want to keep it stock. They like, the ride height. They like how it rides. They're just, they're happy with it. So today, I'm going to show you guys, and pretty much because here's an example. My dad, he's got the same Duramax as me. He likes his truck stock. Pretty much, he doesn't want to touch it. He doesn't want to do any suspension work. He just likes it stock. But he couldn't figure out how big of a tire he can go on a bone stock truck. So we're going to head over to my pops' house right now, and we're going to check it out and see. I don't even know what size he put on there, but he found a size. So we're going to go over there and check it out, and we're probably going to take the Hellcat. So let's do a little cold start on the Hellcat. Quick little pull for you guys. So I'm just sitting here at Target because the wife said I need to run to Target. It'll be about two minutes. I'll be in and out. I wish I showed you guys when I really got here. It's been about 15 minutes, and I hate shopping. I hate grocery shopping. I don't hate Target, but there's nothing in there for me. I'm just not interested in Target. So now we're just, we're sitting here waiting. Here you go, and waiting. And waiting. Really? All right, I'll be right there. But, see that? I gotta go into Target now because the wife, I guess needs more money. It's ridiculous, I should probably not go through the exit because the door is not going to open. See that? So I got to go over. So see, guys, when it says exit, probably shouldn't go through it because it's not going to open. Note to self. There we go, in. Okay, let's try this one. This is what we came to Target for, guys. Oh, you have money. You got money now, huh?
Yeah, but I need more.
What?
I need more money.
See, guys? Don't take your wife to Target. Because now we got to get more money.
See you again soon.
Where's my change? I better get my $73.90. Really? They couldn't just make it. They're going to give me 99 cents? Really? I would have stuck a dollar or something. Oh my God. And all 10s.
Well, look at it this way. You and Big Boy have a lot of change to put in his piggy bank.
There you go, guys. Make sure you have the exact change. So our journey to Target has finally ended. And what do you guys think? All of this was $125.
126.
That's ridiculous. I don't know about you guys, but everything,
He loves me so much.
everything here looks like it's probably, I would guess, $30 to $40. It's all right. This will make up for the $125. Oh, all right, we're even. All right, we have just entered the neighborhood. Actually, let's go to my uncle's house and see. He just purchased a new motorhome. I'll show you. It's pretty nice. It's a 45-foot tag axle Revolution. Let's see if he's home. It might be outside. I know. Yep, it's outside. He's building a garage for it. I'll do a review on this thing. This thing is just beautiful. I mean, look at that thing. She's a beast. He's building a garage down there for her. Oh, maybe he is home. And that's his L5P down there. You guys probably remember that one also. There she is, the new tires. There you go, guys. So those are what you can fit. Okay, now we'll get a closer look. Get that infinity out of the way first. You guys remember this guy? Jim, nobody wanted to see your infinity.
I think I saw a lot of comments that said bolt up and they wanted to see
Nobody
it.
wanted to see your
I
infinity.
think they did. So when do you want to do the review? I don't
You guys want to see his infinity?
But I actually charge you like $300 to do a review.
Oh my. Okay, let's start. Well, guys, I'm gonna try to do what they do all day. Sit here, and I guess this is what we do, guys.
Watch baseball. When it's football season, then we'll watch football.
Okay, so I guess this is what we're doing, huh?
Go get a cup of coffee if you're gonna do it. Like
Cup of Joe?
You want a cup of Joe?
Oh, maybe I need a cup of Joe.
Exactly.
Okay, well Jeez. Okay, so I don't know how they do this all day. I'm losing my mind. I gotta get out of here and do something. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how really big you can go when you just have pretty much a bone stock Duramax. As you can see here, she's bone stock. And hey, what's going on here? You can't Snapchat me. That's not free, okay? I charge for this. So it's bone stock. Now, as you guys know, what comes with this is the 265 60/20s on this Duramax. And you guys can see here, I'm gonna turn the wheel, but I don't think there's any rubbing. But let's turn the wheel and see. Let's do a little cold start on this bad boy right here. Go ahead. Let it rip. Let me hear this bad boy.
It's on. This thing sounds like a Prius, bro.
I don't think it's on yet. There. Oh, woo! Blah, 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 blah. Man, these things just... I don't like the way they sound at all, stock. Okay, so it looks like Pops went with the Michelin Defender LTX. I don't know. Look like little pizza cutters to me. But let's see how, pretty much how much room he has. This is, right here, this is the main part that I worry about, is this plastic piece. So, turn it all the way. So it looks like he's got, jeez, I don't know, what do you guys think? Less than an inch? Not even an inch? Okay, stop. Come back a little bit. Stop. So he's got about, this is the part that I worry about. On mine, I had to trim right here because it rubbed. So he's got, I would say, a good probably inch. Yeah, a little more than an inch. Turn it to the left. So yeah, he's got, I would say, less than an inch there. So this is pretty much as big as you can go with a bone stock Duramax. Go ahead, turn straight. Stop. I don't know, what do you guys think? How does it look? They look okay. They do look better than the stock ones that were on the truck. I'll admit that. But one thing I hate about tire companies is, you know, why the hell would you guys put the weights on the outside? Put them on the inside. I mean, look at this. That's what happens when you stick the weights on the outside. I mean, I don't get it. Really? Like, you couldn't put them in the inside? I know it's not no fancy rim, but you know, it is a 20-inch rim, and it would be nice if they just stuck it on the inside instead of the, you know, outside of the tire, or outside of the rim, I should say. So that's pretty much as big as you can go having a bone stock 2015 GMC Sierra Denali Duramax.
That's the weakest siren
We
alarm.
get it. It's locked.
No, that was the alarm. That's what they. It's not like a
That's
beep,
not the
beep,
alarm.
beep. Yes, it is. Look.
Okay, there's no way that's the alarm.
Yeah.
That's not the alarm. I think you gotta hold it.
I am holding it.
No, hold it. That's the alarm.
There it is.
Okay. Jeez.
We're good. See, it's fixed. I fixed it.
So if you guys are, you know, want to know how to turn the alarm on your Duramax, or it's actually the panic button, I should say. We are going to look at my sister's new house here.
Can you Photoshop me through? Makeup on, nothing. I'm working all day.
I can't. I don't do miracles. So we're gonna go look at her new house. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna see how big the garage is, because I don't know if it's really, you know. got a good sized garage. We're gonna walk over there and check this thing. Is it official, like
Wait,
done?
ask,
Is it yours?
Ask your sister if she liked her gift that we just got her or not.
Check it out.
Did you like this gift?
I love it. It's going in the guest room so Nikki can feel cozy when
Good,
she
because that was ridiculously priced, and you'll see it at Target how much she spent for it. So I guess this is what you talk about when you buy a new house. You argue what color wood you want. Pretty much when I bought my house, the only thing I did was nothing, and my wife pretty much did, decorated the entire interior of the house. I decorated my garage. So that's about it. So right now we're gonna go walk to their new house. I guess it's, hey, how far is this walk, by the way?
5 houses over.
5 houses over. Okay.
It's all uphill.
All uphill. So this could be a while, guys. So
So check your
we'll be back.
your activity rings.
Yeah, we'll be back right after these messages. Guys, it says dead end here.
As soon as he gets the floor done, actually.
Is this technically trespassing or?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Because you live
We live
here.
here now.
Private?
Okay, well it says dead end. I don't know. When I see end, I turn around.
Are you scared?
Kinda. They're officially at their new house. So have you guys moved in yet or no?
We just put some stuff here. Not.
What is that? Oh, you're fancy already, huh?
It's already here.
Yeah, the owner was
Security, huh? Oh,
That's the Night
let's
Owl
see.
3000.
Let's check out the garage. What do we have in here, folks?
a normal garage.
Wait, what? Why is this garage so short and small and tiny?
You had me tripping?
I got you tripping. That's gonna go on there. You tripping. All right. Oh. Ooh. What, you guys Clorox this?
Pool.
Yeah,
We got the
pool
PH.
stuff.
Pool stuff.
So
Wow.
laundry room.
Ah, all right. Let's check it out, guys. So far, this garage is weak. But, we'll check out the rest of the house. All right. Nice floors. Are you keeping the floor?
These are
Yeah, we're
good
keeping
shape.
that floor.
Nice. Looks good. Okay.
Are you keeping this one?
Yeah, they're not gonna change the one.
You're keeping this?
No GMO floor. Yeah, it's staying.
You're- so
that's
you-
expensive as hell.
You are keeping this floor.
Yeah.
All right. You're keeping the floor. Nice. What do you got? Purple light? Purple little thing. Dang. What is this? Is this where all your shoes go?
No, this is gonna come out. It's just a shelving. They have this as the library or something.
Oh, you got library. Okay, fancy, fancy. So I guess if we ever come over,
This is where we're gonna put that.
this is where we will sleep. Let's see what else. What else do we got over here?
This is the map.
Holy crap. I'm lost. Hello? Hello?
So,
Oh, there he is. There he is. We found him, guys.
so we're gonna put
What is this? This area is like huge.
80-inch right here.
Ooh, 80-inch. Dang. Where's the 80-inch? Go above this fireplace?
No, on this wall. This is like the room you can't touch.
Oh, what is this? This is not a living room?
No, this is like guest, I don't know what they call it, family.
Family room? Okay. So what is this? Your dinner
Dining room.
dining? Okay.
This is the regular living room. TV
Okay.
over here.
Oh, nice.
Big section over here.
No, oh, I like that Cat 5 cable. If you guys know me, you know I hate Wi-Fi and I like everything
I
Cat
know,
5.
the TV has to go on that one.
It's fine. We can run some Cat 5 through there.
Go down.
Fancy, fancy.
No refrigerator yet.
I like this this blue. What's going on here?
We're gonna change that.
What did a Smurf Mr. Smurf do this or
And these are all gonna get sanded and stained gray.
gray? Ooh, I like gray. All right, let's check out the backyard. All right, so we got a little fancy stuff going on over here. Oh, we got the pool, the swimming pool. What is that? Your grandpappy's TV right there? Or? That's it. So, guys, right here, this is the new Samsung 90-inch. It looks old, but this is brand new.
It's not 1080p, it's 80p.
80p, yeah. It just came off the showroom floor. Wow.
I know. Things are working
This
today.
is a workbench right here. Now, you see, you guys have seen mine, but this. Oh my goodness, I think it's. Uh-oh. What do you got? A baton?
It's a pressure hose.
Oh, okay. Pressure washer for your spot-free system. Nice, nice. Well, what do you guys think? So far, I'm liking it. We're gonna have to work on the garage or adding in a garage. I don't know. How deep is the garage?
We put a race car.
Yeah, he's gonna need some race flooring.
Black and white checkers.
There you go. Yeah, there's one problem though. So if Danny ever does get something, that satellite dish is gonna come flying down. Guys, this really isn't how the Daily Dose cooks. It's just a technical difficulties. We're having technical difficulties. Let's see. Let's check the steaks.
Perfectly fine.
Let's check them out. How we doing, Daily
Hey,
Dose?
don't give me credit for this.
That wasn't you. Let me see that one.
That's a little Cajun.
All right.
This one's perfect right here. Just right.
So that was the house. You guys saw it. But now I'm gonna have to end this vlog with a Liga number 9.
What do you think?
I think it's an amazing cigar.
salty.
She's talking about the French fries. Sorry, not me. I thought she was talking about the cigar. But thank you guys for watching this vlog. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Salty. Salty vlog. Salty.
Salty cream.
Salty. Salty. Thank you guys.
Yeah.